Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Cooking for Bae. So today we'll be making some jerk chicken. So let's get started. Alright guys, as per usual, all ingredient measurements will be on my website and the link will be listed below. So to my food processor, I have a couple sprigs of scallions, green onions, whatever you want to call them. I'm adding some lime juice. This is the juice of a whole lime that I'm adding in here. Get it all in there. Now the jerk spice that I'm using is the Keith Lorraine jerk spice. Did I even open this yet? Anyway, this is what it looks like. Now if it'll focus. But anyway, the link will be below as to how you can order his jerk spice. I really like this one. However, if you don't have this, Walker's Wood is, a crowd favorite as well. So you could also use that. Alright, so I finally got my bottle open. So now I'm going to add my jerk spice down in here. I'm going to use about a quarter cup of it down in there. I'm also going to go down in here with some soy sauce. Soy sauce. You may or may not need salt for the spice mix, but I'm adding a little salt in here. I'm going to add some coconut vinegar. You can use white vinegar if that's what you have, but that's what I had, so that's what I'm using. I'm also going to go down in here with some fresh garlic and some fresh chilies. You can use habanero, serrano, scotch bonnet, jalapeno, whatever you have on hand. Don't make it a big deal. Then I'm also going to add my salt. Of course, salt and pepper is to taste. So now I'm going to blend this up and we're going to pour it all over the chicken. Alright guys, so this is my chicken here. I washed it, soaked it in vinegar, washed it, and I dried it. That's important because you really need this marinade to stick to your chicken. If you put this marinade on wet chicken, after a while, it's like no point basically. So you're going to take your marinade, pour it all over. You want to marinate this for about 8 hours to up to overnight. The marinade is so perfect. I hope this camera is picking this up. Mix this up and allow it to marinate 8 hours to up to overnight. So maybe do it in the morning before you go to work. By the time you get off, pop it in the oven. Yada, yada, yada. And then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright guys, so one of my sides is going to be a twice baked sweet potato. I made something similar to this before on my channel. Now these pecan pieces, where did I get this? I think out of HEB or somewhere. It was like $1 something. We're going to actually candy this. We're going to bake this, slice it open, and pour the candy nuts all over it. This potato is enough for 2 people because we are going to slice it down and, So that's what we're going to do next. Pop it in the oven, bake it up till it's nice and tender. Alright guys, so in this pot right here, I have brown sugar and butter. And you're just going to take your pecans and just empty it down in there. We're going to put this on the stove and let it simmer on medium-low heat until it gets real nice and thick. You can add a little salt. And then we're just going to pour it over the potatoes. No big deal, no fuss, no muss. I'm also going to add some cinnamon in here, a tiny bit, after it's done. Alright guys, so this is what the chicken looks like. I'm going to pop it into the oven, 400-degree oven, for about an hour. And now we're going to work on the nuts that's going to go on top of the potato. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to plate everything up. I have my sweet potato there that I baked up. Then you're just going to take your pecan, brown sugar, butter, salt, cinnamon mixture and put it down on your potato. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, as well as printed directions. This looks amazing. And you can put as much of the juice as you want, because remember, we're not adding any added butter in here or salt. All I'm putting is that topping we made. Alright guys, so this is what the plate looks like. You have the potato right there with the pecans on top. You have the jerk chicken right here, which is super moist and super flavorful. And I just sauteed some spinach with some garlic. Let me see if I could pick this up and put it closer. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple Cooking for Bae segment. If you try any of my recipes, tag me and let me know what you think. I will repost you as I always do. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, guys. Bye.